We are officially on full day 2. It is currently Saturday, March 19th, 2022. It is full day 2. I got here on Thursday, but as far as full 24-hour periods within this fine land, it is full day 2. And is where I'm staying. One of the household members is celebrating a birthday today. In the news. That's right, Karen Marie Hernandez. Karen Marie, that's not her. Karen's a human being. This is a cat, you fool. Well, anyway, she turns 26. She turns 26 on this day of our year of our Lord. Well, anyway, just to recap, Zach and I got to doing some laundry because of the nightmare that happened in my bag with my clothes. And then we went to go eat at, oh, damn it, that place. Do breakfasts. Regular breakfasts, or Jerry's. That's it, Jerry's. Oh my god. My memory has improved. What is he, just see a cat foot? Meow. Oh, you just look outside, have a nice outside view. Well, I assure you it's a nice day out. See? You see? And, there's a cat. Oh, how do you like this close-up? How about we don't do that? Cat butt. Oh, yeah, so anyway. Then we... Okay, fine. But, oops. Okay, asshole. I don't know what you want. So, basically, we went to go do laundry and eat, and we stopped by this corner store, or a liquor store that sold wrap snacks, and they had, I've not had wrap snacks before, and they had wrap snacks noodles, as well as the chips flavors. And then we went to another corner store and grabbed some other Americana junk foods, and then we went and hunted down essentials, more beverages, and then we met up, reconvened with Karen, and we went to that vegan fast food place where everything is like replicated menu items like Big Macs and animal fries and whatever, but like vegan style. And they had some of these buffalo chicken tendies, and they were pretty fucking good, actually. They had very varied texture, like it wasn't uniform, which is kind of like the main problem with like some vegetarian type meat substitutes. So this was good. Then we I think we came back here and we played some of that video game. What's it called? The Bean. You play like one of several different, it's like a roguelike. You play several different, or did Zach say roguelite? And then like different types of birds, like either a chicken or a duck, or you shoot the enemies. It's kind of like, you know what, it's basically kind of like, quite a lot like The Binding of Isaac, except it's co-op. Well, I guess you do co-op in Binding of Isaac, but yeah. We played some of that whilst Karen napped, because she's a sleepy gal and she didn't have much sleep the day before. Then we, I think we chilled here for a good while, and then we were invited to go do some karaoke. Hey, funny story about that later. Well, anyway, we had some urgent errand to run first, and then we finally got to Tarzana, which I guess is a county in Los Angeles, or it's a neighborhood. I don't know. Well, anyway, so we ate at this bar that we were originally going to do karaoke at, but they don't actually do karaoke there apparently, or it's been temporarily suspended, or I don't know what. But we ate, and then we were going to go to this private place to do karaoke, like with has like private booths, and we just waited and waited, and the guy was just kept going, "Oh, sorry, I don't know if you're gonna wait. If you're gonna have to wait, I mean, I'm sorry, I don't know if you're gonna get it this time." And then it was kind of just a fucking whole runaround. So we never got to do any karaoke. Did you hear what I said? My face looks like a monster, looks like I got black rings under my eyes, and you can't see my mouth. I brushed my teeth, so it's okay. Everyone else is still asleep. And Kaylin was up briefly, but maybe they're just up in their room, and so I'm just chilling here until everyone wakes up, which caught on tape. Whining cats. Why are you so whiny? Yeah, we caught you. We exposed you, ma'am. Then we chilled out there waiting, and so we chilled and whatever. Got to hear some very terrible singing. And then so when we finally deconvened from the other parties involved, Zach, Karen, and I did some. Oh, who are you hissing at? One of you is being naughty. And we did some car karaoke, I guess it's called. That was pretty fun. You know, it's a good little consolation prize. Ziggy, I will pull out your soul and sell it to a fucking wizard. I don't know. I can't think of anything. Anyway, so today is... You want us to come say hello? Hey, you dick! You are going to ruin this. You cannot go this way. You were literally just about to fly onto the camera, and I saved you. I assure you, I saved you. Okay? Well, I guess I more saved my camera. She would be fine. Today is Karen, as I said, her birthday, so we're going to do a bunch of festivities today of all sorts. Going down to the Pike on scooters, maybe. Maybe I will not crack my skull open and die. It's either going to be very fun or very terrifying. I'm going to ruin the day by accident. We're going to play some badminton. We're going to drink coffees and eat food and chill and do karaoke and games, like Jackbox games or what have you. What the dub. Sky's the limit today. But it's not up to me. It's not my plans. I just go with the flow. And stop doing these hand gestures. Okay, we're done. Keep you posted. Ah, shit.